Reef Finance holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Reef Finance price update. What's going on? What's surprise changes over in the Reef. In this video, I will share the whole update, guys. So keep watching this video complete. And before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So the right now price of Reef Finance in the market is about 0.018376 USD dollar. That is right now price of Reef Finance. Furthermore, if you study the changes update, so guys, I am very sad to see this update, because last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, this update is going very negative, guys. So that is why I'm feeling very sad. But don't worry, guys, now everything will be okay. Don't worry, the changes will be good. Yeah, as I predicated, Reef Finance that in the beginning of October there is a possibility that the price will jump. So just wait, guys. Reef Finance just need patience. Just hold and forget it, guys. Possibilities that in the October the price will start pumping, guys. So wait for it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.